Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to stop Windows 11 update permanently. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop I just want to stop updating permanently from Windows 11. What I have to do here? Just go to start menu and just go to settings option, and you will have your right hand side corner Windows updates. So just hit the button in Windows update paused until 26/6/2023. So I just resume this update, means automatically the updates will be resume over here. So if I want to pause for the week or 2 week 3 week, means there will be a pause updates. Just hit the button, means it will show you pause updates. So you can pause for 2 weeks and you can pause for extend for 1 week, and more than that you can pause. But if you want to update, if you want to stop update permanently, what I have to do here? So simple and easy tip. Just close this button, just go to start menu, just type service. Once you type service apps will be open here in your Windows 11. Just hit the button service app. So this is a service app. Just scroll down, you will get option called Windows updates. So Windows updates, it's enabled running over here in my laptop or desktop. Just hit the button and use a right click, and you can just go to properties. Once you go to properties option, there will be a startup type will be in manual. So just hit the button and just click disable, click apply and OK, means your Windows update will be disabled as you see here, so that it won't be a problem to you to update automatically, or you can pause or anything else you can't do. So it will ask you, it will run your system, it will slow your system, so it will be a biggest mess for you. So it won't be a biggest problem. Just to close the service means your updates will be stopped permanently. If you want, if you don't have any other work, means you can disable this option, and you can use enable to update your laptop or desktop in Windows 11 update comes, means you can update using that. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.